SG906Max with 120-degree forward obstacle avoidance function and rotating laser sensing radar. It works in multiple scenarios. In no strange environment, it can still give me a full sense of security. Let me know what is fearless and safe flight, even when it comes to mirrors or low light at night. It's still easy to handle. 3-axis stabilized PTZ equipped with 4K HD camera create a cinematic feel with EIS electronic anti-shake. It brings a brand new experience to be a photographer who captures every wonderful moment. For me, maybe that's what travel is all about.
This is a UFO unmanned aerial vehicle without remote sensing. It has flexible mesh barrier made by ABS material, which is environmental friendly and resistant to crash. Start the aircraft. Through to make it fly. No need for remote operation. Simple and convenient. Infrared induction device is at the bottom and around it. It has the function of automatic avoidance. With encountering obstacle at the bottom, it will rise automatically. Hand sensing interactive aircraft. It can be played by many people. The grip turns over to stop flying. Click on its power button to switch into high-speed mode. LED lights make it shine in the night sky. USB charging, safe and durable. Add flying fun. UFO induction vehicle without remote sensing.